Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is our 49th tutorial of Power BI. In the previous class, we have studied about subscription email in Power BI services. And now in today's class, we will introduce about one more feature of Power BI services, which name is data flow. So guys, data flow is just a collection of tables that are created and managed in Power BI services workspace. So these tables are similar like in Excel tables. We can reuse these tables to create report and dashboards. And data flow storage is stored in Azure Data Lake Storage. So guys, let me show you one architecture. So here you can understand the clear picture of data flows. So here is the architecture guys. So here you can see these are the data source guys, and your source could be anything like SQL Server, Excel file, CSV file, or any other file. So what happened here is guys, this Azure Data Lake Storage Generation 2 is collecting the data from these sources. And you can access this data to build your Power BI report, dataset and dashboard. I know guys, it's confusing for you, but no need to worry about it. Let's understand this concept with practical. So let's go to the Power BI services window. And here is the My Workspace guys. And I have uploaded only one report. So here you guys can see this new button. So we need to click on this. And if you see here guys, there is no data flow option is there because this is my personal workspace and this option is not available in personal workspace. So we need to select another workspace to create data flow. So let me go to the workspace guys, and from here guys I will select this Shubham workspace. And now I click on this new button. So here you can see the option of data flow. So simply we will click on this data flow. So we have lots of options. So we will cover only this thing guys, add new table. Rest thing you need to explore yourself. So I will use this add new table. So let me click on this add new table. So guys, we can see we have lots of source options are available like Excel file, CSV file, JSON file, SharePoint folder. And if you click on this database, so you can also see multiple database are available here like SQL database, Snowflake, Amazon Redshift, and so on. So let me get back to the all categories. So this time guys, we have only Excel file. So let me click on this Excel workbook, and here it's asking the path of that folder where your data is stored. So let me show you the folder guys. So here is the folder guys, and we need to copy the path from here. So let me Control C and Control V in Power BI services. Now we need to set up the connection. So just click on this drop down. So let me click on this create new connection, and now you can see it is asking for the data gateway.
So guys, data gateway is also required to make data flows.
So let me click on this drop down to select the gateway name. So my gateway name is Shubham. So let me select this gateway. And here guys, you need to simply enter your username and password. So guys, once you enter the username and password, then you need to click on this next button. So guys, Power BI services will take you to this next page. And here you can see the tables here. So only two tables are here in Excel file. The first one is country table and product table. So let me open this country table first. Let me click on this checkbox, and here we can see we have a country table. And if I click here on product table, so here we can see we have both the table. And if you want to some transformation over here, so you can click on this transform data. So in this window guys, you can do some transformation over here. Like you can rename the page, create column, delete column, remove column, and so on. So if we have nothing to do, so you can directly do save and close. And from here guys, you can also need to enter your name of the data flow. So let's say I will enter my name here, Shubham data flow. And this box is optional guys, so you can skip this. Or you want to enter some any other things, you can enter it. So let me click on save button. So guys, you can see the data flow has been saved. To keep your data up to date, you need to set refresh schedule. So we guys can see here both the tables are in Power BI services data flow. Now guys, let me go back to the Shubham workspace. So here we can see guys, we have created this data flow, which name is Shubham data flow. And you can also see this icon of the data flow, which is reflected in olive green color. So let me click on this data flow guys. And here you can see both the tables are here. So now question is, what is the use of it data flow and why we created this? So let me open new Power BI desktop and we need to click on get data. And you guys can see here is also option of data flow. That means we can directly fetch the data from data flow, which is a part of Power BI services now. So let me click on this data flows. So you need to first sign in with the organizational email ID. So firstly, I will log in this with my email ID. Now let me click on this connect. And here we can see guys, we have workspace option here. So let me click on this option. And under workspace guys, my workspace name is Shubham. So let me click on this Shubham workspace. And under Shubham workspace, we have created one data flow, which name is Shubham data flow. So let me click on this Shubham data flow. So here we can see the table guys, which name is country and product. So let me select both the table from here and click on load. So in this way guys, you can build the connection with data flows. Data flow is very useful in Power BI services to make the connection to Power BI desktop. And few organization takes source as a data flow because they are not work on Excel and not work on SQL servers. So I hope guys you are enjoyed this video and now you have good understanding about data flows. So stay tuned with us for more and advanced learning about Power BI. And if you follow this channel, you don't need to go here and there. You will get all concepts step by step. And I will also add many more things in our upcoming videos. So please support this channel guys and kindly like, subscribe and share this channel. And for any kind of job assistance or any paid training sessions, you guys can connect me on LinkedIn. Link is given under the description box. So thank you so much guys.